It's from YOKEKON, and this is the cable, the sponge to clean. Okay, you have here the remote control, some guides, precaution, how to install and use the humidifier, and there's included sponge to clean once a week. You need to clean the tank. Before we proceed to our review, let's assemble first the machine, the humidifier itself, and let's see what are the parts included inside this unit. This is the cover, top cover, what you can see inside of the unit itself. And inside, this is the water tank, and there is included pipe. Let's open this and let's assemble first everything before we proceed. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, and what you can do with this, you can just rotate in different directions so that you can get the desired position you like where your mist coming out. Inside part of the humidifier, and as you can see, this is the body, and what I like about this is you have wheels. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4 wheels, and it's easy to move from one place to another. As you can see, you don't need to carry the whole unit itself, and you can just turn it like this if you like. So this humidifier is easy to use and to refill the water because there is a large opening of the tank. Then you can just put directly the water. Or you can also fill your water in this part of your humidifier. And there is a small opening here that will go directly to your water tank inside. Then let's just put back the lid where your pipe attached, and this is your 360 degrees fog mist. Okay, it's now. This is 1. This is 2. And this is 3. You can see it from here. This is 1, 2, and 3. Right, and you can also set it your timer if you want to put the timer into 1 hour, 2, of 3, 4 to 12 hours, and the sleep mode. Then the digital display will be turned off. If you don't want to see the LED light, the LED light, then it's off. You can just turn it on. And at the moment, I want to turn on my UV. That is the UV. And I want to increase my humidity into 70%. And at the moment, I set my into maximum level, number 3. And this is the fog, the mist coming out from the pipe. So that is it, guys, about this review from YOKEKON humidifier for large space bedroom or for your greenhouse or for your industrial use. So this is the perfect unit for your house, especially if you are coming from the area wherein humidity is always a problem. So once again guys, this is the YOKEKON humidifier large space bedroom, 5.3 gallons or 20-liter humidifier for large room, and there is a junction pipe designed with 360 degrees nozzle set, top filling ultrasonic humidifier. So you can order this YOKEKON large space humidifier into Amazon online, and if you're really interested guys, I can put the link in my description box so that you can buy this YOKEKON humidifier with my discount code.